Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I vlogged. That's because of my eye condition. My eyes have been really sore. If you guys see here, it's like somebody has punched me in the eye. But today is my niece's fifth. Today is my niece's third birthday, and we're going for a birthday lunch. We're going to OI. I don't know how do you call it. OI? Oya, I think Oya, Hennu Road. So it's a really big Greek-based restaurant pub. So yeah, let's see how it is. It had become a huge hype on Instagram. So we're just going to see how it is. Hopefully we will get seats, and hopefully it's not too crowded. Say hi to my mom. Mom, we are taking. So going to North Bangalore is a pain, but my elder sister lives in North Bangalore. Now it's really developing there, that area, Hebbal, airport side. My sister lives in Tani Sandra, by the way, because she works in Manyata Tech Park. So I will give you guys a tour of their house as well when I'm going there. So finally, we reached Iya. So apparently, it's Iya and O is silent. But let me tell you that this is one of the most beautiful pubs I have ever visited in Bangalore. Really, really huge and beautiful, including the seating and everything. It was perfect. Even the food was quite decent. We ordered a variety of stuff, including fish fingers, tart, sushi, paneer, fruit punch, and a lot of these things, and everything tasted good.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets
So now let me give you a tour of my sister's rental home in North Bangalore. So it's a pretty decent sized house with a good kitchen. Even the hall is pretty big. It's an L-shaped hall and it's a 3 bedroom apartment.
It's getting hard to talk to you.
There was also a puja room which was there in the house. And even the rooms I felt were quite spacious.
There are the things I want.
They had also given good wardrobe spaces in all the rooms, which I felt was really good. Although the society is a bit small, I think there were just like 70 flats. The cake was really, really beautiful. My sister had ordered it from Aubrey. Hi guys, so I had to abruptly end the video because it started raining so heavily in Bangalore. We were stuck on the road for 2 hours from Manyata Tech Park to Vijayanagar, and it was horrible. Like, Manyata Tech Park looks really good in the night from the outside, but you know the reality when it rains because the roads get logged with water. There is no proper drainage system. Most of the two-wheeler people were stuck, like they were not able to go, and they were just standing on the side creating more traffic, but I don't blame them. And I think it's the first time in a long time that I've been stuck on the road for 2.5 hours. It was so bad, but yeah, I'm happy that the birthday went really well yesterday. We just went for a small birthday lunch followed by a party at home. It really reminded me of the 90s party because we had chips, samosa, and cake on the plate. Yeah. So, yeah, it was really, really cute. I wanted to show you guys some goodies which my mom got me from Bali. So, my mom had recently gone to Indonesia with her friends and she got me some stuff. So, I'll just show it to you. So she also got me this Kit Kat Lotus Biscoff. I've never tried this flavor, so yeah, and I really like Kit Kat as a chocolate. And the other thing that she got me is this. I don't know what this is. This is like, I think it's soft cookies, like brownies, which are in the form of cookies. I'm not sure. But this is really famous apparently in Indonesia, and it has a lot of flavors. And then she got me this. Guys, this is a real game changer for people who want to use, people who keep falling sick like me and who have cold problems. Like you get cold very, very frequently. You can use this as an inhaler instead of Vicks. This is a herbal inhaler. So you have to just open this and just inhale it. So it's really good. And even the flavor is very strong. I highly recommend this. Then she got me this tiger balm. Actually, there's a huge difference between the tiger balm that you get in India and the tiger balm that you get in all these Asian countries. This was the first one we got this in Singapore actually, and we really loved it because the effect of this tiger balm is massive compared to the one that you get in India. And I think she got me this dark chocolate clusters. This is for my husband, I guess, because he eats a lot of oatmeal. So he can put this in his oatmeal and just have it. So thank you, Mom, for all these gifts.